Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 electric welding helmet. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Andeli Automatic Darkening Welding Mask. Specifications. Brand name, Andeli. Helmet material, PE. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China. Item number 4 is Large Viewing Welding Helmet. Specifications. Brand name, SafeUp. Model number, PR02UN10. Cartridge size, 29 by 51 by 40. View area, 2.95 by 4.41 inches. Switch time, 0.00004 seconds. Auto darkening, yes. Helmet material, nylon. Certification, CE. Grind state, EN3. Arc sensors, 4. Power on, off, auto FF. Battery, lithium batteries. Light state shade, EN3. Cutting shades, 4 to 8. As the item number 3 we've selected, ARCCA PTN Welding Helmet. Specifications. Brand name, our Captain. Power supply, solar cells plus lithium battery. Sensitivity, outside can be continued adjustable. Solar powered, yes. Switch time, 1/25,000 S. Auto darkening, yes. Helmet material, nylon. Certification, CE, FCC. Item number 2 is Professional Auto Darkening Welding Mask. Specifications. Brand name, Tywell Master. Model number, Tywell WH9810. Power supply, solar battery. Sensitivity, 2 amps. Solar powered, yes. View area, 3 view area, major 100 by 93 mm, 3.94 by 3.66 inch. Switch time, 1/10,000 S. Auto darkening, yes. Helmet material, nylon. Sensitive control, 0 to 7, automatic. Delay control, 0 to 9, 0.06-1.2 S, automatic. Sensors, 5 PCS. SOD control, auto, manual. Cartridge size, 28 by 20 by 20 centimeters. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Auto Darkening Welding Helmet Mask. Specifications. Brand name, SafeUp. Model number, UN109. Solar powered, yes. Switch time, 1/25,000 S. Auto darkening, yes. Helmet material, pages. Color, shining black. Viewing sizes, 100 by 97 mm. Shade adjustable, in 5-8/9-13. Tour color filter, yes. Certification, CE.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.